everyone. In Morse code, the letters of the alphabet are represented by sequences of dots and dashes. So that's two choices basically. For example, dot dash represents the letter A and dash dash dot represents the letter G. Show that a sequence of no more than 4 symbols of dots and dashes are needed to represent all the alphabet. So the way we can think of this is we can think of a symbol sequence as a box to be filled with either a dot or dash. So a 1, let's just call that a sequence, equals number of one symbol sequence. So for one letter, that's 2. So that equals 2. All right. Now let's look at, we can think of 2 symbol. Okay. So we can think of the 2 symbol, for example, we can be filled with 2 boxes to be filled with each a dot or a dash. So that's going to be equal to 2 times 2 using the multiplication principle. So, all right. Then for the third, that's a number of 3 symbol sequences. So again, we only have a dot and a dash. That's 2, but we have 3 symbol sequence. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. And then if we do 4, we can keep going on. That's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. Now if I figure all these out, this is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So that was like 2 to the first, 2 squared, 2 cubed, and 2 to the fourth. And that equals 30. So the total number of sequences with no more than 4 symbols, that was n to the fourth, that last one we had, so 4 or less equals 30. Thus, there's 30 possible sequences, which is obviously enough to accommodate 26 letters of the alphabet, because 30 is greater than 26. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.